Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn coronavirus essay in English. So let's start. First में है introduction. Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19. It is an virus infection disease which causes illness in the respiratory system of the humans. It is the new virus that is impacting the whole world badly as it is spreading primarily through contact with the person. COVID 19 was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. In March 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared the COVID 19 outbreak a pandemic. COVID 19 is now a cause of large number of deaths across the world. How does COVID 19 spread? It is spreads from person to person among those in close contact within about 6 feet or 2 meters. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets generated from the cough or sneeze of a COVID 19 patient. Symptoms: COVID 19 symptoms can be very mild to severe. Some people have no symptoms. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and breathing problem. Apart from this, symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscles pain, and loss of taste or smell can also be seen coronavirus patients. Prevention of COVID 19. A. Wash hands regularly with soap or sanitizer. B. Avoid unnecessarily outings on public places. C. Maintain a distance of at least 5-6 feet from a sick person or if somebody has symptoms. D. Maintain proper hygiene and cleanliness. E. Cover your nose and mouth while cough or sneezing. F. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. G. Wear proper mask. Vaccine program in India. In the research and development of vaccine, the scientists at world level tried best to discover and invent effective vaccine for this dangerous disease. Presently, India is producing Covishield vaccine developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford jointly. Other vaccines are Covaxin India, Sputnik V Russian, etc., which are being used in emergency of this pandemic. India in this regard has initiated a worldwide vaccine program for other countries also. Covaxin and Covishield vaccines are being produced for in India to supply to friendly foreign countries. For the strategic relationship at present, India has controlled this pandemic, vaccinating maximum people at rapid level. Conclusion: coronavirus is one of the most severe issues that are facing by people around the world. It is necessary that we come out of this situation as early as possible. So people should stay informed and maintain a good hygiene. Together we all can bring an end to this pandemic. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching the video.